Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your AdSense PIN with Google, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your AdSense PIN with Google, start by logging into your AdSense account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the account settings section. Look for the option labeled PIN verification. When you find it, you'll see details about your PIN status. Check if your PIN has been mailed to your registered address. After receiving your PIN, open the envelope carefully. Inside, you will find a 6-digit code. Back in your AdSense account, locate the field to enter your PIN. Type in the 6-digit code exactly as it appears. Make sure there are no extra spaces or incorrect characters. After entering the PIN, click on the Submit button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating whether the PIN was accepted. If successful, you'll see an update on your account status. In case of an error, double-check the entered PIN for accuracy. If you need a replacement PIN, return to the PIN verification section. Follow the prompts to request a new PIN if necessary. Google usually sends it within a few weeks. Keep an eye on your mailbox for the new PIN to arrive. Once you receive it, repeat the verification process. This will finalize your AdSense account setup. With your PIN verified, you'll be able to receive payments without issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.